How to transfer money from Zelle to Cash App. To make this happen, all we need to do is link the exact same bank account you use for Zelle straight into your Cash App. That bank account acts as our middleman to pass the money across. For this video, I'm going to use my SoFi account since it's already hooked up to my Zelle, but you can follow along using whatever bank you use. Let's do it together. First things first, open up your Cash App. Look up at the top right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now just scroll down a little bit until you see Linked Banks and give that a tap. Right here, hit Link Debit Card. Now, if you don't want to use a debit card or don't have it on you, look down at the bottom left and tap No Card. A quick info page powered by Plaid will pop up to explain how it securely connects to your bank. Just scan through that and hit Continue at the bottom. This brings up a list of major banks. Tap that search bar right at the top and type in your bank name. Like I mentioned, I'm typing in SoFi, but go ahead and type yours. Once it pops up, tap on your bank logo. Perfect. Now just type in the email and password you normally use to log into your online banking and hit Submit. Because security is tight, your bank is going to send you a quick two-factor authentication code to your phone or email. Pop that code right into the box and tap Answer. Select your specific checking account from the list, mine says SoFi Money, and click Continue. Boom! You'll see a clean green check mark confirming your bank account was successfully linked. We are officially past the hard part. Go ahead and click Done to head back to the Cash App home screen. Now for the final stretch. On your main screen, look down at the bottom left corner and tap your money or balance icon. From this banking dashboard, go ahead and hit the Add Cash button. Use the keypad to type in the exact amount of money you want to pull over from your Zelle bank account. For this example, let's just do $10. Tap that big green Add button at the bottom, look for the final confirmation message, and you are totally set. Your Zelle funds are now resting safely in your Cash App balance. And that's it. If you want to know what to do next with those funds, check out my other quick video right here on how to send money with Cash App. See you there.